BNTX stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I've made 39,000 video proof on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in the space. Been in the market 4.5 years, you know, thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of dollars have been invested in courses and one-on-one coaching, which you obviously don't have to do. I'm just saying what I've done. And generally looking at this, I like the pump. So I'm looking just to double down, of course. Just trying to figure out the higher time and trend here. Definitely aiming for these highs. I do think that and believe there's a lot of liquidity that I do think it's going to get kind of taken out. In this case, all that looks like is this is where we are. And only if I see the price pulling down and showing me that shift, oof, you bet I'm looking to take it up. Guess what? Like random buys are not going to be happening, but calculated approaches, of course. Like that's all I'm doing. But stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.